Howdy World, Hamato here, joined with...
The Choice Specs!
doing Monotype Mondays. You guys don't get the humor in that, but this is week 1 or 2, depending on which channel you're looking at. Last time I had Bug.
And I had,
Specs here had
Rock.
Yeah, and I still won.
Yeah. So I brought
this week
no flying type attacks.
you brought no flying type attacks on your Mega Aerodactyl.
Yep.
But this week, let's see if you can redeem yourself.
Doubt it.
You want to guess at what I got before we go into it?
Electric.
Okay, I'm guessing you have water. Am I right?
Yep.
Fuck yeah, you are wrong! I felt like I gave mine away when we were talking about it, and I said how many Pokemon were in this typing, and I was like, oh shit, that kind of makes it obvious.
Well, I didn't look into it. And we were on the phone or together, so I was building my team. I didn't care.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. I mentioned how many Pokemon there were, and then I was like, shit, Justin's going to know that I've got normal type.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah, I did kind of expect you to have water,
I will say, I don't think I have any fighting... Nope, you're wrong. I have fighting type attack on something.
Okay, well, whatever. I'm hitting Let's Battle.
I did, too. I'm just waiting on you.
Oh, okay.
Alright, folks. Yeah. Spoiler alerts if you didn't watch the last one, which you didn't. I like that team. God, I hate Kecleon. Does it count if he changes to not normal?
I mean, he comes out normal. He is a normal type Pokemon. It's like saying Greninja isn't a water type.
Gotcha. I'm just gonna...
but yeah, there's some stuff on your team that's definitely gonna be a problem for me. One thing in particular, I'm just like, well, fuck. Two things in particular, I'm like, well, fuck. What?
I don't know what those things are, but alright.
Well, when you beat my ass with them, I will tell you.
Cool. Whatever. Let's go with that, and that, and that, and that, and that. Alright. Let's do this. I had something in it. I lost it.
Oh.
Alright, what'd you lead with?
I don't know. What'd you lead with?
Something obvious.
Oh, okay. Well, there's two things I was expecting you to lead with, so we'll see if I was right on either of those. Oh, no. Oh, actually, yeah, that is obvious. Never mind.
I literally know nothing about Silvally. I've never used it, so...
He's a beautiful beast.
That's what the normal one looks like?
Yeah.
Or is he normal something else?
No, if you change his typing, he becomes just that typing. He loses normal, so yeah, he's normal.
Gotcha.
It sounds so great with my music that I have playing.
The current number. What are you doing? Are you calcing?
No, I'm not calculating. Why would I do that? I'm just debating what I want to do.
Gotcha.
I'm going to do this. I'm just going to do the thing that I originally thought. I'm just going to do this.
Bing.
Bye.
Deuces. Spooter. Heliolisk.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, girl. What are you listening to? What do you have on?
Gladian's music, I believe, which does have a pretty hot bass line. Yeah, look at that damage.
There you go. Oh wait, that's not light screen. Yeah. God, there's like gunshots in this song, Ian.
What song are you listening to?
The admin Team Skull. He's going
Oh.
brah, brah. Like legit. Brah.
Gunshots out of beat.
Brah. Brah.
Gladian's got some fucking slappy bass. It's a pretty good name there.
I didn't have it all the way on there.
My toe is my toe.
A lot of damage.
I'm gonna not say what I was about to do.
Just kill me, it's fine.
Yeah, I'm just gonna scream at you.
Oh, I lived!
Oh, nope. You son of a biscuit.
Blah. Blah. Blah.
This whole video is just gonna be us making disgusting noises with our mouths.
I'm going along with the beat on my side.
Well, I mean, yeah, but on my side, you are not at all. That's some nice damage there.
Boo doo 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 doo. Ouch.
Your game is definitely ahead of mine, because nothing was happening when you were saying ouch.
I just knew what's happening.
Oh, okay. Bye!
Deuces.
That was actually one of the things that I was worried about, because I just know it's so incredibly defensive.
Let's go.
Now, your character in game, your outfit, just about matches my little, like, art that we got.
Does it?
A little bit. Like, in the art, my pants are, like, black or, like, a really dark blue. Black shirt.
Gunshots are the beat.
Yeah. Fuck you! Yeah!
Damn it.
Also, I just saw the name as it died.
Alright, well I told you, you're gonna win this again.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Also, I just realized I forgot to nickname all of my Pokemon again. I did not forget to hit record this time, though, so that's nice. What you sending out?
I don't know, something else to die, I guess? Oh. That's insane.
What, that he killed with that?
No, well, yeah. Just based
No,
based off of my EV spread, so.
Oh, okay. I just know Cloyster's special defense is not very good, so I was like, I'm just gonna go for it and hope it kills.
Well, you were correct, sir. Please don't kill me.
Please do.
Thank you.
Ah, so close. Aww. I might die from poison this turn.
You might.
Hey, look at that predictable move. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I'll live. Hell yeah. Big old beefy boy. Oh shit. Oh well, GG Justin.
Brat.
My pretty little lady here. Going slow as hell. Glad I brought this one specific move so I can try and stall out your weather.
Oh.
Look at that damage. Ow.
Look at that damage.
Yeah, I was hoping you'd get greedy and go for another power-up punch.
I'm almost confident at +1 I can one-shot most of your stuff. If you had type
Probably.
null, it would have been a different story, but...
Oh, I should have brought both. I didn't even think about that. I should have brought both.
Blah. Taking off my shirt. About to make the Swampert burst. Beware! Oh no, you're slow
Yeah, I
now.
think there's a very good chance you're about to just sweep me.
Here's hoping.
Well, let's see what this does. If anything, if I can live long enough to try it.
Yep, you're good.
Yeah, buddy! That's what I was hoping for. I was like, I have no idea how much Fluffy is going to help me in this. But we'll see.
Pretty good bit,
Hell yeah.
honestly.
Yeah, pretty great there. Ow. Kind of, but not really.
Not really. I was just hoping I could, oh, never mind. Not gonna live that.
Nope.
Thought you were gonna go for Drain Punch again.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking about it, but I was like, nah, I need to kill this thing. Because a Drain Punch I don't think would have been quite enough. Before the match when you were saying, I don't have any fighting type moves. Oh wait, yeah, I do. It was Power Up Punch the only one.
Maybe. I'm so used to I've been playing Showdown so much, I'm like trying to click back, I'm like, damn it, I can't change moves now.
Yeah, I know, I did the same thing. Huh. Nope. There we go. Shit, I don't know what to do. Yeah, shit. Well,
What?
I don't know what to do.
You have the advantage.
Do I?
Not with Beware, but you know. You have 3 mons of full health. I have 2 mons of full health and one hit from anything.
Yeah, but I just don't know what to do, and I'm running out of time. And I'm gonna do this, I guess. I feel like it's the wrong move, but whatever. Bring this beautiful bastard back in. Slowing down. I brought no way of removing those. Ow, fuck.
Hell yeah.
You banded? I mean, I can't count, so I have no idea. That's just my guess, because that was a lot of damage. What you gonna do? I like how parting shot looks like I just like cuss at you and run away.
Let's go. That's a risky move.
Yeah, I know.
Oh no, I'm too nervous to eat berries.
Yeah. I kind of figured that's what you're gonna do, because I'm kind of guessing you're banded.
Oh no. Brah.
As I figured. So bye. Get that shit out of here.
What's up?
Yeah!
That's fine.
Oh. You sneaky motherfucker. Yeah, shit, I should have taunted.
Jabating the rain.
Well, GG, Justin.
I could die from toxic.
Oh, damn it. I mean, it's not very likely.
Not anymore.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's going to take more turns now. I kind of figured. I was hoping you wouldn't have Aqua Jet, because I could at least get some damage off before I died. Ah, balls. I should have now let Heliolisk die.
Nope.
Yeah, I was really debating
That's
it,
what I was fearing Heliolisk the most, obviously because I'm water, but also because of I knew you were going to run Dry Skin, so...
Yeah, of course.
He was Specs, wasn't he?
Yes, he was.
Yeah. As I say, because Cloyster, I definitely invested like 252 in HP, like I think 20 into speed, because at +2 that allowed me to outspeed Because I thought you had electric type, so I was just like, eh. I'm like, the fastest thing he's gonna bring is 135, so I can outspeed at +2 with that, and I put the rest in special D. I was like, at +2 attack with Skill Link, Icicle Crash gonna hurt anything. But it didn't hurt anything because it just died.
Yeah. What's up, buddy? You ready to murder something?
I am.
Okay, bye.
I mean, your Mega might take a hit, but with the rain up, I don't know.
Yeah, no, it won't.
I kind of forgot I had the rain up too.
Yeah, I know. That's literally why I sent him out to die and try and stall out a turn of rain.
Well, you gotta stall out 7 turns of rain.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm boned at this point.
Well, if you live this, I die.
It's a huge if. Not like Mega Pidgeot is bulky.
Never use one.
It's like a fast special attacker, not bulky. And yeah, +6 with rain. Yeah, there's no way.
Yes! Oh.
My trainer is so confident. He's so optimistic. Come on, Fluffy. Damn it.
Yes! All right.
Well, GG, buddy.
That's a 3-0 victory. I think.
Was it 2-0?
No, 2-0. Yeah, I
2-0.
forgot. Birdie died. I just got it out to get rain up, anyways.
Yeah. What was your 6th?
The spider. What's
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I should not have let my damn Helios die. Like, I thought about keeping him, but I'm like, he's only got 10 health and he's poisoned. He's gonna die from 1 turn of poison, if anything. But I wasn't thinking about fucking dry skin. I wasn't thinking about your rain healing me.
I assumed you were.
Yeah, I know. I'm just dumb. Well, GG, buddy.
Thanks.
We're now 1-1. You want to go to random.org and figure out what our next one's going to be?
Yeah.
So we can not tell anyone, but talk about it. Talk about it quietly.
Random.org. What is it? 1 through 18?
Yeah.
And what site are we using? Just the types.
I just Bulbapedia's list.
Okay. And it goes down like normal first, fires not second, but fighting second, or
Yeah.
down.
Yep. You ready to click?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, click.
Alright, let's see what that is.
Ooh, alright.
I'm cool with this.
Yeah, same. I'm actually
Alright.
quite excited for this. Well, everyone who's no one can wait till next week to find out.
See you next time on Monotype Monday, Tuesdays.
Monotype some days.
Alright, bye.